Most everybody calls me Johnny. And you'll find me out at the airport most any day of the week. I'm what they call a commissionaire. And it's my job to keep people out of trouble. You know, just keeping an eye on things. Helping the folks out there to meet their friends. And helping my own friends, the boys who work around the tarmac. I like this job. And every day I like it more. Because I'm among people. To me, having friends and being among decent people are two of the most important things in the world. When I first started here, I used to envy the passengers that had folks at the airport waiting for them. It took me a long time to make friends with the air crews, but I did. And today I'm probably one of the happiest guys in the world, just keeping people out of trouble. But it wasn't always like this. No, sir. Not so long ago, I was the one with the trouble, and I had it all to myself. Yeah, this was me. I was this man, empty, bleary-eyed. I was a bum, and drunk. And this was my world, my home, if you could call it that. And these were my friends. Some of them good friends. Nice guys, some of them. But this is my story, not theirs.